Here is a wonderful 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 120,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The smooth-riding Silverado 1500 delivers rugged strength, a quiet and spacious cabin, agile handling, and technology that keeps you connected. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Powerful versatility meets comfortable convenience in the Silverado 1500. Come in and drive it.